Hi, hello, welcome back to another Saturday upload. I hope you guys are having a great week, and today we are going to be doing peanut butter cupcakes, which is kind of fun because I've always offered a chocolate peanut butter, which is really popular, and this person didn't want to have the chocolate, so I'm going to be doing some modifications to make it the perfect, just standard peanut butter cupcake. So we will go and wash our hands, put on our apron, and look at me, got my hair up already. So let's join me in the kitchen, shall we? Welcome back to my kitchen. So I was gonna film what I was doing, but then I realized at this point you've now seen me do my base recipes a few times. So I thought I don't need to go through it as often. If you are new here and you don't know what I'm talking about, check out some of my other videos. I can link to kind of more of a standard down below. I am gonna be doing the peanut butter cupcakes, like I said, which we're gonna start them pretty much like I do my normal vanilla base. So I've been creaming my butter while I've been waiting here, and I'm about to add in my cup of sugar. And we're gonna give that a scrape down the sides. I've given my sugar and butter mixture a good scrape just to let it really cream properly. I have pre-mixed my cup and a third of flour, my 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and my half a teaspoon of salt. And I have everything else laid out in front of me so that we can do this. And yeah, we'll show you kind of what the differences are so that then if you're wanting to make it along with me, you can. Back here at the stand mixer, my butter is nice and creamy, so I'm going to be adding in my eggs one at a time roughly. You do this just so that they incorporate fully, the yolks break down. It just makes sure that everything actually happens like it's supposed to. And it's really satisfying watching them pop in. I don't know about you. As well as my vanilla. So you may have noticed I had 4 eggs there, and my mixture seems to have doubled because I realized that though I'm only filming me doing these peanut butter cupcakes, my order is actually for also a dozen birthday classic, and I didn't want to film something that I've already filmed before, but both of them use the same base, so I'm gonna finish up my base and divide it into 2 so that I can make my 2 batters, because saving time is worth it. Going to do a little scrapey scrape all the way down. Oh yeah, good times. Before we do our normal, like, half wet, third dry, half wet, third dry. Wait, no. Third dry, half wet, third dry, half wet, third. As you can see, I've divided up my batters because it's just smarter this way. So I have a cup of peanut butter chips that I'm gonna add to one, and I will be putting in, and then I'm going to be adding some sprinkles. I sadly ran out of my long ones that actively don't bleed, so I have to use these ones. So the batter is going to be a little discolored because apparently there's some parties going on in town that had to use all the sprinkles up. I couldn't find them anywhere. Now that our cupcakes are baked at 350 for about 20 minutes, I've let them cool, and I'm gonna make some peanut butter buttercream, which is delicious. So we're gonna move over to the mixer and we'll show you what we do there. Let's cream together a half a cup of butter, or 1 stick, with a half a cup of creamy peanut butter. So we're gonna cream those beauties together before we add in our icing sugar and vanilla and salt and milk. So let's speed through this, shall we? You know me, always love my beauty glamour shot. Here we have some beautiful peanut butter cupcakes. This turned out so well, and I'm so excited for her to have them. So there you have it, peanut butter cupcakes. They turned out really well. The icing is... And yeah, I am so excited for you guys to make them. If you do, tag me down below. Remember, I can be found at Instagram at Dani-mite Cupcakes. I will put the name right here so you can see it. And as always, please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. Until next time.